Hello and welcome again. Proper clothing is essential for your comfort during your camping trip. Dress in layers. Wearing layers of clothing allows you the luxury of removing layers when the weather is hot and stacking the sheets when the weather is cold. Without layers, you can sweat profusely in the heat or shiver in the cold. The wind is usually a factor when you are in the desert. Therefore, it is recommended to bring a windbreaker jacket. Most camping stores provide a wide variety of windbreaker jackets that are also waterproof and offer a large number of pockets for storage. Synthetic materials also fight the elements of winter. Synthetic materials prevent the cold and dry out the moisture that you can release if you sweat. Try on several jackets until you find one that is not only comfortable, but that seals any drafts outside. Sturdy waterproof hiking boots are a must. Experienced campers wear sock shirts in addition to wool socks. Your feet can retain moisture, which can harm your camping experience. Sock liners help keep your feet comfortably dry. Don't forget to bring extra pairs of socks. Make sure to cover your face and head with a hat and scarf. Most of the body heat is lost in the head. Besides, a hat and scarf can protect you from the harmful and tiring effects of the sun and wind. Wear thick gloves, waterproof gloves that provide complete insulation for your hands. The sleeping bag should have adjustable straps so that you can fit it comfortably around your body. Many sleeping bags have a lining, which provides additional protection against wind. There you have the necessary clothes for your camping trip. Remember that you should take into account your camping location and the time of year. Your clothing options vary greatly if you are just going to the local camp rather than following the unknown mountain trails. Either way, be prepared. Please visit the link below for the full article, like and subscribe, and we see us next time.